animals 动物 animals 动物 Let's look at the picture. This is fish. Fish. 鱼 鱼 This one is traditional Chinese form, and this is simple form used in China. Let's read it again. Fish. 鱼 鱼 Fish. Cat. Cat. 猫 猫 猫 Cat. 猫 Cat. 猫 猫 Kitten. Kitten. 小猫 小猫 That means the baby cat. Kitten. 小猫小猫 Kitten. Deer. You can look at the picture. Deer. Loo. 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 Deer. Loo. Loo. Deer. Fawn. 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 小鹿 Fawn. Fawn. 小鹿小鹿 Fawn. Fawn. 小鹿小鹿 Fawn. Lizard. 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 蜥蜴蜥蜴 Lizard. Lizard. 蜥蜴 Lizard. Dog. Dog. 狗狗 Dog. Dog. 狗狗狗 Dog. Puppy. Puppy. Baby dog means puppy. Puppy. 小狗小狗 小 means small or little or baby. That means 小小狗小狗 Puppy. 小狗 Puppy. Donkey. Donkey. 驴驴 The donkey looked like the horse, so you can see there is a 马 beside here. So donkey 驴驴驴 donkey 驴驴 It's very difficult in traditional Chinese form, but looks simple in simple Chinese. So it's different. If you learn in China, you will learn this word. If you learn in Taiwan, you will learn this kind of character. So donkey, again we say 驴驴 Donkey. Mule. Mule. mule 骡子骡子骡子 mule mule 骡子骡子 mule mule 骡子 mule. That's today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.